Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss question and answers about the competitive exams. Let's start the video. What is the name of the largest ocean in the world? Option A, Atlantic Ocean. Option B, Indian Ocean. Option C, Pacific Ocean. Option D, Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is option C, Pacific Ocean. What is the name of the tallest mountain peak in the world? Option A, Mount Everest. Option B, K2. Option C, Kanchenjunga. Option D, Lhotse. Correct answer is option A, Mount Everest. What is the largest name in the solar system? Option A, Mercury. Option B, Mars. Option C, Venus. Option D, Jupiter. Correct answer is option D, Jupiter. What is the name of the smallest planet in the solar system? Option A, Venus. Option B, Mercury. Option C, Mars. Option D, Pluto. Correct answer is option B, Mercury. What is the name of the hottest planet in the solar system? The correct option answer A, is Mercury. Option B, option Venus. Venus. Option C, Mars. Option D, Jupiter. What is the name of the coldest planet in the solar system? Option A, Mercury. Option B, Neptune. Option C, Uranus. Option D, Pluto. Correct answer is option C, Uranus. What is the name of the planet with the longest day? Option A, Mercury. Option B, Venus. Option C, Mars. Option D, Jupiter. Correct answer is option B, Venus. What is the name of the longest river in the world? Option A, Amazon River. Option B, Nile River. Option C, Yangtze River. Option D, Mississippi River. Correct answer is option B, Nile River. What is the name of the largest desert in the world? Option A, Sahara Desert. Option B, Gobi Desert. Option C, Arabian Desert. Option D, Kalahari Desert. Correct answer is option C, Arabian Desert. What is the name of the largest rainforest in the world? Option A, Amazon rainforest. Option B, Congo rainforest. Option C, Daintree rainforest. Option D, Borneo rainforest. Correct answer is option A, Amazon rainforest. What is the name of the largest country in the world by area? Option A, United States. Option B, China. Option C, Russia. Option D, Canada. Correct answer is option C, Russia. What is the name of the smallest country in the world by area? Option A, Monaco. Option B, Vatican City. Option C, Nauru. Option D, Tuvalu. Correct answer is option B, Vatican City. What is the name of the most populous country in the world? Option A, India. Option B, United States. Option C, China. Option D, Brazil. Correct answer is option A, India. What is the name of the least populous country in the world? Option A, Vatican City. Option B, Tuvalu. Option C, Nauru. Option D, Palau. Correct answer is option A, Vatican City. What is the name of the richest country in the world? Option A, United States. Option B, Qatar. Option C, Luxembourg. Option D, Switzerland. Correct answer is option C, Luxembourg. Which country is often considered to have the best education system? Option A, United States of America. Option B, Singapore. Option C, South Korea. Option D, Japan. Correct answer is option A, United States of America. What is the name of the poorest country in the world? Option A, Burundi. Option B, South Sudan. Option C, Central African Republic. Option D, Niger. Correct answer is option A, Burundi. What is the name of the oldest country in the world? Option A, Egypt. Option B, China. Option C, Greece. Option D, Iran. Correct answer is option A, Egypt. What is the name of the youngest country in the world? Option A, South Sudan. Option B, Kosovo. Option C, Timor-Leste. Option D, Montenegro. Correct answer is option A, South Sudan. What is the name of the most visited country in the world? Option A, France. Option B, United States. Option C, Spain. Option D, Italy. Correct answer is option A, France. What is the name of the least visited country in the world? Option A, Nauru. Option B, Tuvalu. Option C, Kiribati. Option D, Marshall Islands. Correct answer is option B, Tuvalu. What is the name of the most spoken language in the world? Option A, Chinese. Option B, English. Option C, Spanish. Option D, Hindi. Correct answer is option A, Chinese. What is the name of the least spoken language in the world? Option A, Lemuric. Option B, Livonian. Option C, Hawaiian. Option D, Ngerip. Correct answer is option C, Hawaiian. What is the name of the most popular sport in the world? Option A, soccer or football. Option B, basketball. Option C, cricket. Option D, tennis. Correct answer is option A, soccer or football. Which sport is often considered the world's #1 sports? Option A, football. Option B, basketball. Option C, cricket. Option D, tennis. Correct answer is option A, football. What is the name of the most famous painting in the world? Option A, Mona Lisa. Option B, The Starry Night. Option C, The Last Supper. Option D, The Scream. Correct answer is option A, Mona Lisa. What is the name of the most famous sculpture in the world? Option A, David by Michelangelo. Option B, Venus de Milo. Option C, Statue of Liberty. Option D, The Thinker by Auguste Rodin. Correct answer is option A, David by Michelangelo. What is the name of the most famous book in the world? Option A, the Holy Bible. Option B, the Quran. Option C, Don Quixote. Option D, Harry Potter series. Correct answer is option A, the Holy Bible. What is the name of the most famous movie in the world? Option A, Titanic. Option B, Avatar. Option C, Star Wars. Option D, The Godfather. Correct answer is option A, Titanic. What is the name of the most famous song in the world? Option A, Imagine. Option B, Bohemian Rhapsody. Option C, Happy Birthday. Option D, Stairway to Heaven. Correct answer is option C, Happy Birthday. Which phenomenon explains why a straw appears broken when placed in a glass of water? Option A, refraction. Option B, diffraction. Option C, reflection. Option D, dispersion. Correct answer is option A, refraction. Thank you for watching. For more interesting videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.